Have you ever played superhero and wondered how to save the day during a medical hiccup? You're not alone. Today we're diving into first aid, spotlighting two crucial aspects, CPR and healing minor wounds. Not just a skill, but your superpower. CPR can keep a person alive after issue, and mastering wound care can ward off germs and speed healing. We're going to become superheroes of everyday life. And remember, the life you save could be your best friend, or even your favorite teddy bear. Now let's play pretend. Imagine your stuffed toy suddenly drops to the ground. What's your move? This is where the extraordinary power of Cardiopulmonary Resuscitation, or CPR, charges in. Its strength, reviving the heart's rhythm in someone experiencing a cardiac arrest. It's a vital skill, just like riding a bike or tying laces. But safety first. Ensure the area is secure, then approach your toy, checking for signs of life. Poke gently and ask, "Are you okay, Mr. Teddy?" No response, time for backup. Dial your country's emergency number or ask an adult. Alone, use speakerphone to receive instructions while performing CPR. Let's perform chest compressions. Kneel beside your teddy, place a hand on their heart, the other on top, and push down. Aim for 100 to 120 pushes per minute. Too forceful is better than too gentle. Next, the breaths. After 30 pushes, give Mr. Teddy 2 breaths. Tilt their head back, pinch their nose, and breathe until their chest rises. Uncomfortable with breaths? Chest compressions alone can help. And an automated external defibrillator, or AED, if available. They're easy to use with voice instructions. Continue CPR until help arrives or recovery signs show. Remember, your actions can save a toy's life. CPR is a superhero skill that can make the difference between a toy's playtime and nap time. Boo-boos happen, don't they? Minor incidents like paper cuts, burns, or twisted ankles require proper care. First, clean small cuts with warm water and gentle soap. Avoid harsh antiseptics, as they can prolong healing. Apply antibiotic ointment like a blanket over the wound and cover it with a dressing. Change the dressing daily or when it's soiled. For burns, cool first-degree burns with running water and a loose bandage. Second-degree burns cause blisters. Don't pop these. Instead, cover them carefully with a non-stick bandage and seek medical help. Third-degree burns are serious and need immediate medical attention. For sprains and strains, remember RICE, rest, ice, compression, elevation. It's about keeping still and keeping cool. For insect bites and stings, remove visible stingers, wash it, apply a cold pack for swelling, and use over-the-counter creams for relief. Animal bites, even tiny ones, should be washed thoroughly, covered, and checked by a doctor to prevent infection or tetanus. As we've seen, even little ouchies need good care. Learn super first aid skills to become a hero when boo-boos happen, and prevent small injuries from becoming big problems. Who knew a first aid kit could be a treasure chest of wonders? It should hold magical items like superhero bandages and star-shaped gauze pads of varying sizes. These are your first line of defense for minor injuries. Essential cleansing items include magic cleaning wipes and hydrogen peroxide. They ensure those wounds are clean. Gauze pads stay in place with sticky spiderweb tape. An instant cold pack doubles as a coolness spell for bruises and sprains. You'll need a digital thermometer, a temperature wizard, and non-latex gloves for safety. The magical tweezers are handy for removing splinters or debris, while our scissors serve multiple purposes. Pain relievers, allergy medications, and potions have a place in the box. It's crucial to have an emergency blanket, a magic cloak, and a first aid manual for reference. If needed, add more magical items, but replace any expired potions promptly. With these essentials, you're ready for any adventure or common injury that comes your way. Wow! We've been on a terrific journey diving into the world of CPR. We discovered key secrets like assessing someone's condition, calling for aid, and executing vital techniques like chest compressions and rescue breaths. We even got a glimpse of how to use an advanced device, the automated external defibrillator, in emergencies. But our adventure didn't stop there. We explored minor injuries, discussing how to handle cuts, burns, sprains, and even insect bites. We assembled an essential list of supplies for your first aid kit. This is only the beginning of your story. I urge to continue learning from reputable institutions. Transform yourself into a knowledgeable superhero, brimming with confidence and skills, possibly saving a life someday. Remember, in emergencies, superheroes stay calm, act promptly, and always call for assistance when required, you can be a real-life superhero.